In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to unlike all of your liked videos. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know that how to unlike all of your liked videos. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app and let's suppose I am going to like this video. Now click on the profile and you will see here option of heart, it means liked video. You know that we have liked this video. If you want to unlike this video, you just click on this heart again. This video will be unliked and will be removed from your like icon. Like we like this video and click on this video will be unliked. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.